now back live with the emergency update. A tornado is currently on the ground at this time. We are currently setting up the live stream at this time. Hello everyone, we are now back with a emergency update as of 7:22 p.m. The city of Blum is going to be under a high threat due to a tornado on the ground at this time. We are now going to be going to a window capture mode because I have a storm chaser that is currently on the scene right now on live storm chasing. I see the tornado right now. It is currently on the ground. Yes, a tornado is currently on the ground. It is kind of rain rocked, but if I could kick up this contrast, yep, I see it. That is a large cone tornado currently on the ground at this time. So this tornado is on the ground near the city of Blum. Everyone in the city of Blum needs to take cover immediately. That is a tornado on the ground. Repeating that this is a genuine emergency situation currently unfolding at this time. As you can see, the new scan came in looking like a tornado is currently on the ground. I actually have a live feed of this tornado. It is on the ground at this time. It is on the ground right now. This is a large cone tornado currently on the ground. And this is near the city of Blum. Anyone in the city of Blum needs to take cover right now. This is a tornado currently on the ground at this time. I see it with my very own eyes on the Storm Chaser's feed right now. It is pointing to all signs that this tornado is on the ground right now. Repeating that a current tornado at this time, it is on the ground. It is looking like it is getting, that is roping out right now. The tornado is still a funnel at this time, however, it's beginning to rope out at this time. This is near the city of Blum, and will continue its track to the northeast. This is why we have decided to do our emergency update as of now. Yeah, you could see right there, the entire cap has just eroded. You could see how fast that thing went by the time we were away. I'm going to show you what I mean. This was, we're going to go back 6 hours. This is from 6 hours ago. Now you're going to see this blow up of storms. First ignition. But right now, this is a tornado currently on the ground heading towards the city of Blum. This is this is basically northeast of Morgan. This tornado is on the ground based on the things I'm seeing from the live storm chasing. yeah, it's still on the ground. It is basically smaller. So repeating that, this is a tornado on the ground. Tornado is beginning to rope out at this time. We still have funnel, however, the tornado has lifted. This is still a funnel, so this is close to the ground. So you still should be in your safe spot. This is heading straight for the city of Blum at this time. So anyone in the city of Blum needs to take cover immediately. Checking radar scope right now. There are several tornado warnings now in effect. There is also another tornado warning that is now in effect for Savannah and Ashland and Oklahoma. I'm going to be checking that circulation. It is completely contaminated. So contaminated to the point where I can't even see it. And also on top of that, there is another developing, there is also a tornado warning now in effect for the cities of Salina, this is basically northwest of McKinley. So anyone northwest of McKinley needs to take cover immediately. Tornado warning extended towards Royal Vista, Covington, and Grandview in Texas. This is the same circulation as the Blum tornado. So, okay, hello everyone. Alright. Right now we have a tornado that was on the ground earlier. I'm going to check on it again. Yeah, it's completely roped out. There, wall cloud still remains. However, I'm talking about the circulation near the city of Blum. It's completely roped out, but it was on the ground earlier. There's several severe thunderstorm warnings all across Dallas and in Oklahoma. And there is also several tornado warnings near Abilene. There is also some severe thunderstorm warnings 76 miles to 75 miles away from Lubbock, southeast of Lubbock. And some severe thunderstorm warnings near San Antonio. And there is also a tornado warning that remains in effect in Maryland that is northeast of Frederick. To be specific, it is 15 miles northwest of Frederick. That tornado warning over there in Maryland shows barely any rotation. There's also some severe thunderstorm warnings northeast of Charleston in South Carolina. There is also some severe thunderstorm warnings near that is in Alabama, in central Alabama. However, the main ignition area is Texas. I'm going to be showing you yet again. Okay, so this was, I'm going to show you a loop of this real quick to show you how, just show you that the cap has eroded, although you probably know that already, but this was from 5 hours ago. You could see manumission right there, and you could see how those storms just completely blow up. And hold up, that's loading again because I accidentally zoomed in, but you can see how all that just blows up. I'm going to play it again. This was from 5 hours ago. First ignition. And as you can see, all those storms are now been forming. There's also some ignition going on over here and some over here as well. And there is also some hail producers to the west. And a lot of thunderstorms passing through Fort Worth and Dallas. The Dallas-Fort Worth area. Yeah, Grandview, I'm going to check that. Yeah, Grandview could be in a path. However, based on my Storm Chaser view, which I cannot show you because it's on live storm chasing, and that is not for broadcast. It is still a wall cloud at this time, and it is still rotating. And I think I'm seeing a bit of an inflow into the circulation. So that's probably its life support right now. So this thing could hit, this thing's gonna likely hit Grandview, but I do not know if it's gonna last that long. But the one thing's for sure is that there's an inflow feeding into the circulation based on the Storm Chaser, that I saw. Yeah, so yeah, Grandview could be in potential danger at this time. However, velocity scans show that that the circulation is not as strong as before. It's probably stronger on the upper tilts. Because I still see a wall cloud, and I still see rotation on that circulation. So I'm going to go higher up and tilt here on my radar scope. There isn't much, but I still see a hook on radar, so at Grandview, you should still take cover. I still see a wall cloud and an inflow that's feeding into a storm. There is also another tornado warning northwest of McKinley, and it looks like that one's kind of gathering more strength. And it's getting close from getting gate to gate. Looks like the storm is moving, yeah, it's moving east of Willow Vista. Yeah, that tornado warning northwest of McKinley looks like that one could be something right now. In fact, do I have any storm chasers in that position? Hold up. Do I have any storm chasers near McKinley? Hold up. Alright, right now I'm trying to check if there's any storm chasers near McKinley. Let's see if I can find it. If I could find McKinley on this map, it's just so hard to see on this map. wish I could show you what I can only see right now, but I can't. Right there, I found out there is no storm chasers live over there in McKinley. Hold up. Okay, never mind. I thought that was a tornado there. Yeah, there's still some lowering there. However, it's not as impressive as it once was. The main thing I'm concerned about at this point is this tornado warning north of McKinley. That looks like it could start, could be something here in a couple minutes. If it keeps up on what it's doing right now. I'm gonna try and get a picture over here from my radar scope real quickly to show you what I mean here. Now that should take like 30 seconds. Right now I gotta show it up here on my image. I'm gonna show it on the right. And I'm gonna show it on the left. Oh wait, no it doesn't. Okay, hold up, I gotta put another image right on top of it. Alright, now you can see what I'm talking about the storm northwest of McKinley, Texas. I just pulled it up on radar scope for you. Oh, hello, radar BSM. Right now we're tracking tornadoes that are currently happening. One of them touched the ground earlier. And right now we're just going to use this for satellite view because I got a way to give radar scope onto my live stream here. But you can see, I'm going to show you from the last 6 hours. You see that there is a cap over here on Texas. And then, over time, it erodes right there. And you can see how quickly those storms form when that cap erodes. And keep in mind that is because there is nearly 3,500 to 4,500 cape in that area. So that's likely what led to what these storms explode right after it, right after the cap was corroded. And also, tornado warning for Blum was just dropped. Yeah, they are exploding. Yeah, I was like on the live stream since the storms began to form. Like right there is when we started our live coverage, cause that's when like those storms exploded there. This was from like 3 hours ago. And right now I'm checking radar scope. Alright, the rotation looks like near the Blum tornado looks like it's basically beginning to die out, or pretty much dead on here. So I want to shift focus to the McKinley one, if that's something we can do. Although you can't see it that much, but I'm going to try and describe. It's northeast of Prosper, heading towards Weston. So anyone in Weston needs to seek shelter immediately. That could be a developing tornado. There is no storm chasers over there by the looks of it. Yeah, McKinley could get away. It's just like the far northern parts of McKinley that could get affected, like Melissa, Anna, and Weston. Those are my main those are the areas that I'm worried. Like Weston and Anna are the ones that I'm most worried. As this storm begins to trek northeast. This is if you must know, this is like very far northeast of Dallas, or just northwest of McKinley. New scan came in and it shows the circulation is right over Weston right now. So Weston, you're getting hit by the circulation. I also want to be worried about Van Alstyne. That could also get hit here. I'm gonna keep that satellite view on here. Hold up. I want to keep the satellite view on so you can see, so you can get an example of what's going on. And I want to use my radar scope in order to. I think I should do it from the last 2 hours. Yeah, because I want to show you how much these storms exploded in the last 2 hours. And we still have a couple more hours of this. However, my hard cutoff time of the live stream is at 9 to 10 o'clock p.m. It's because I have statewide testing. However, a circulation is passing over Weston right now. It is on top of Weston. No CC drop, so that means this tornado is not on the ground. Me checking my reports here. Yeah, I got another report of a tornado that touched down near Blum, Texas. Although I already seen that live on there. Is there now any storm chasers that are live right there? Those storm chasers need to get to McKinley. That thing could touch down at any second. No, not any second, but that thing has a possibility of touching down. Because those last scans are showing that possible. That rotation has gone a lot stronger. New scan came in and it's not really that organized, but it's like it's touching with other reds now. I'm going to be updating the. Well, I think that actually is. I think that actually is gate to gate. Mostly gate to gate. Alright, I'm gonna set up the new radar scan. I'm setting up the new radar scan right now. Gotta go over here. And I'm gonna switch back to radar scope, and I'm gonna get this new image on this screen here, because this is couple minutes old. This is our new new couple scans that came in. This is the same storm near McKinley. So Weston is actually not hit yet, because I thought like from the recent scan that was the one, but now it looks like that one's the one. So it's very clear that everyone in Weston and Van Alstyne needs to take cover immediately. Van Alstyne, although you're not in this tornado warning, that tornado looks like it could be starting to move northeastern. Anna, I also want you to be in a safe place. Prosper, I'm going to give you the all clear since the storm is far northeast. Selena, you should stay in your shelter for the next 5 minutes so they can give you the all clear. And I also want Weston to stay in their shelter. And there's several more severe thunderstorm warnings. One of them is basically going right up towards McKinley, where those actually no, that's from that same severe thunderstorm warning. My bad. I'm checking in on that Blum tornado there. It's still broad, but I don't see any rotation left. I'm going to check the storm chaser view on that circulation. Yeah, I heard of the morning tornado in Atlanta. I was in class during it, and I saw that occurred. It says there is 32 active warnings on this. Wow. My radar scope is reading that there is 32 active warnings right now. We will be live until 9 or 10 o'clock p.m. Now, McKinley 1 looks like it could be a losing organization right now, so I'm going to post another update on it. Yeah, I think, yeah, the McKinley Storm is losing organization. Right, so I'm going to switch that image to a new update. Right, so that's the new updated one. Right now, that tornado warning still remains in effect. I'm going to check Storm Chaser cams and, that's it if I can find any. I'm going to check Covington. Bob Pack. Storm Chaser, Bob Pack, found, I'm seeing a really flat base on the storm. I gotta figure out where he is, though. He is near, Ayesta, Texas. That is where he's near right now. Yeah, so that's the same storm as the one that produced the Blum tornado. So that's the same storm that he's chasing right now. So a very flat base is with that storm right now that he's entering. A lot of storm chasers look like they're moving up to Oklahoma. One of them from Kiowa, Oklahoma. That storm chaser is in a lot of rain. Tiaft, Oklahoma. That storm chaser, not much happening right there. Savannah, Oklahoma. That one has a lot of heavy rain on it. Oh my god, that is a lot of heavy rain. Like, I'm looking at the storm chaser's feed near Savannah, Oklahoma, and you can't even see anything right in front of them. I cannot show you it because it's not for broadcast, because it's live storm chasing. But you can't even see anything, like not even a mile. Like, not even a mile ahead of you. You can't even see anything a mile ahead of you. I already checked out Covington, Texas, and Kyoto, Texas. I'm going to go through Utica, Texas. That one's also in a lot of rain. Sherman, Texas. I kind of see a little bit of a base right there. So, yeah. I'm going to be switching through these storm chasers right now as I wait for a new update. Okay, Covington. Okay, Covington, Texas, I see a bit of lowering on that. This is near where the Blum tornado was. Actually, we're just gonna call it a Covington tornado now. Actually, no, I think the Blum tornado will make more sense. Savannah, Oklahoma, that storm chaser is still getting blinded by rain right now. And, the storm chaser near Taft, Oklahoma is, I see a shelf forming right there. Yeah, so, that area has been, one of the storm chasers is just being blinded by rain in Savannah, Georgia. And I'm also gonna, pull up a new update here. New severe thunderstorm warning, but there's like already a bazillion of those already. Right, I'm pulling up the new update right now on the radar scope. What really sucks is that we can't see traffic cams because Texas doesn't follow live video and only goes by screenshots instead of live video. So yeah, we can't see any Texas video. And also Kiowa. Okay, so that's why the storm chasers are there, because there's a tornado warning over there. I'm gonna check on, okay, Sherman, Texas. Eric Fox is chasing, it looks like a shelf. Bog Pack is that looks like he's facing behind him. Yeah, and it looks like a really impressive storm. I see a lot of rain coming down of it. Avocado, Texas, rain, just rain. Savannah, Texas, still, and a lot of rain and darkness. It's getting dark at this point. Savannah, Oklahoma. Oh my god. Oh my god. Savannah, that storm chaser from Savannah, Oklahoma. You can't even see anything anymore. You can't even see anything nearly like. I see leaves now. Is she getting hit by something? I think she might be being hit by part of the tornado. I think she might be getting hit by part of the tornado because you can't even see anything in front. I see leaves coming off at this point. Yeah, that circulation shows is basically right over that storm chaser. I actually want to go back north to hold up. Keep in mind, these are trained spotters. Yeah, that storm chaser is likely being hit by some sort of inflow or RFD. Like, you can't even see anything, like, nearly, like, that's, like, less than a quarter mile. That's less than a quarter mile visibility. You will now be turning that thing off, and in fact, we're going to be pulling up the radars. No, I meant windy. I'm going to be showing you an absolute blow up the storm since I'll be right back. I'm going to say be right. Actually, I'm going to say it in the stream. I'm going to put like a piece of text. I'm going to put a piece of text here. Be right back. Be right back. Alright, see you in a bit.